How to enable and use Apple Pay later in iOS 18.1. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable and use Apple Pay later in iOS 18.1. Stick around to learn how it works and how to set it up. Let's get started. First, open the Wallet app. Set up Apple Pay later. Tap the plus button in the top right corner to add a payment method. Tap on Add Credit Card or Debit Card. Enter the details by scanning the card or by manually. Select Apple Pay later from the options. Sign in with your Apple ID if prompted. Ensure it's the same account linked to your Wallet app. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize setup and activate the feature. Make a purchase with Apple Pay later. At checkout, select Apple Pay and choose the Pay Later option. View installment plans and select one that fits your needs. Open the Wallet app to see active installment plans under the Apple Pay Later section. Review due dates and upcoming payments. Use the Wallet app's tracking feature to monitor spending and ensure you stay within your budget. And that's it! You're all set to use Apple Pay later in iOS 18.1. This feature is a great way to manage payments more conveniently. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you next time!